My harvest today. Cucumber. Hinarvest ko na. Oh, ang lalaki. Oh my gosh. So sweet. Dong, halika. Halika yung cucumber ko. Ang dami. Oh my gulay. Magsasalad ako dahil ang dami kong cucumber. For today's video, my harvest. Cucumber harvest. Salad na is for real. Salad is real. This is the cucumber na hinarvest ko. Ang sarap-sarap pag galing sa garden mo. Matamis-tamis. I tried, oh my, so yummy pag galing sa garden mo, ang tamis. Pag binili mo, matabang. You wanna try? At school? Then why you don't eat at home? If you tried it in school. You do not? You only wanna try in school? Why? Because the teacher told you? So yummy.
Mom, can you help us take this pot thing out?
Mamaya na ako suga na eat. Call your daddy na for dinner.
Pop it!
Kaya ni mga bata, di matigil-tigil.
Don't pop it.
Go call your daddy na for dinner.
Daddy, come on. We need to make the biggest layer.
Sit down na and you pray the food.
Dad, we need to eat. It's coming.
Can you put that inside the balloon all?
We need to open that thing to put them.
Go sit down na the two of you.
But we cannot open this.
Bilisan nyo na kasi masakit na ulo ko.
Okay, put on
Boy, sit na.
No, wait.
You pray the food, boy.